I am not sure really work with me, but the taste is great. I love it like eating candy. It's a great product, but they recently changed the ingredients. I've uploaded pictures for reference, but they have switched from coconut oil to a palm and coconut blend. The packaging says, new look same great product, but that's misleading. It's damage. Great product, but I purchased one bottle a month ago for $13. Talk about price gouging. We take 2 a day to keep our immune system a little help. Very tasty fruit-flavored vitamins, just like eating candy. Great for immune support. I have been around 2 grandkids with the flu already this season, and have stayed healthy. Serving size is 2 gummies a day. I work in an elementary school and am surrounded by sick kiddos during the winter season. I also have 2 kids of my own who attend 2 different schools and a husband who works in a health clinic. To say we are exposed to the flu regularly is an extreme understatement. I started using these gummies around Xmas time when the flu started making itself known in our small Wyoming town. I took 2 gummies in the morning and 2 gummies at night, daily. My kids, 10 and 12, each took 2 gummies once per day. We were stupid and didn't get the flu shot. Around January, many of my students and kids' friends came down with influenza A. Everyone was dropping like flies. Our family remained strong. Until the gummies ran out. I had recommended them to all of my friends. Apparently everyone else had too because Amazon ran out and I couldn't find them available in any local or online drugstores. We went elderberry free for the remainder of January and all of February. About mid-February my husband caught a nasty cold and passed it to me. I hadn't even had a sniffle when taking the elderberry gummies. Closing parenthesis. Kids began coughing. I searched high and low but still no Sambucus gummies available anywhere. After fighting the cold for a few weeks, I ended up getting influenza B. I passed it to my husband and daughter. At that time, I found some elderberry liquid at our local drugstore and began taking it immediately, as did my daughter. Since I was too late for Tamiflu by the time I was diagnosed, I had to solely rely on elderberry to help with symptoms. While friends fought the flu for 2 weeks, mine only lasted 4 days and my fever was gone. I won't lie. It was a rough 4 days, but the elderberry really helped ease my fever and symptoms and eventually eliminated the aches and fever. During that time, my shipment of Sambucus Elderberry Gummies arrived. Everyone but my husband began taking them again. My daughter, who has asthma, recovered from the flu in record time, exactly 3 days. During that time, her fever never went above 99.3 and her aches and stuffy nose were eliminated within 2 days. She's had the flu in the past and has never gotten through it so quickly, even with Tamiflu. Her lungs survived, and they're usually not so lucky, and she was back in school after a long weekend with high spirits and a healthy body. Our son never got the flu. My husband is still fighting it and ended up developing a secondary infection. He's asthmatic too, which has given him a serious medical fight. Do they work? Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.